a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, so at last it's time for the lapa or patio. I'm going to obviously start with the wallpaper. I've got this out of my new sample books, and I was actually very lucky because sometimes in the books they put like a few pages that's for like a pattern in the books, and then they repeat some of the papers for, well, another pattern or something. So I found 3 of the same papers in the one book, and I know it's the same because on the back they've got their numbers on what it is, so I know. So this will definitely be enough for all the walls here. I'm just worried about it. So it's even long enough, everything, so it will work perfect, and it's enough for all the walls. Because I wanted a lighter wall here, because it's a bit like a dark corner. There's not much, except for this side there's light that comes in, but yeah, my future elements will be dark, so that's why I want the walls light. And this got a nice pattern on it, so it's perfect for I don't know if you can see, but it's got a pattern on there, so it's perfect actually for like a lapa's wall. So and then I've got this paper for my I'm going to put it around for the lounging area where they're going to sit here. It looks like some weaved, maybe something. I'm going to use that. It's a light grey, and of course this material for the couch, because I want a happy space, a colourful space here. So the reason why I said I'm going to use I wanted to use my walls, I want to make it light. I'm going to use this, it's like a tile with bricks, so I'm going to use this for the fireplace here, and then obviously for the barbecue area I'm going to use this brick, so that would be dark, and the bar that's coming here in this corner here also would be dark. So yeah, I like the light walls, and mainly because I've got 3 papers of the same color, and I know that would be enough. So my first idea was I just wanted to put the stuff first and see where I'm going to use wallpaper, because I know there's never enough wallpaper, but now I'm going to paste all the walls and then put the furniture against that and so on. So yeah, oh yeah, and I just diluted my glue a bit because I know I don't have to use that thick glue, so I just diluted a bit with water, and I think that would be enough, and that's it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so my lapa is finished. I'm happy with the wallpaper. Okay, I'm not worry about that. I'm happy that all the walls is the same and there's not mix and match walls in here. I almost forgot about the door, but at least I remember that, yeah. And then okay, I've got this screws in here. This one is a bit shorter than the others, so this is where the stage is going to be. So I'm still figuring out what I'm going to do with the stage, but that's for another day. So the screws here in the corner is a bit longer screws, and then there's a bit of a mess up, but I'm not worrying about that because the fireplace is going against this wall here, so that's not really a problem. And then here the ending here is not nice, I know that, but the bar is coming in this corner here, so I first want to put in the bar and see what is open there. And then because I'm worried that this is, maybe if I put a wood piece like wood sticks around here, it's going to be in the way of the bar. So first I want to put in the bar and then I will fix what's there. And then here was a little piece I didn't have tiles in, so I just quickly put some tiles in there. So I did want to change the floor at one time, but then I thought to myself, you know what, there is a floor in here, don't make it difficult now for yourself. So I'm going to keep this floor. And then, like I said, okay, there next to the doorway, come in here, here is going to be the stairs one day when I figure it out. There's going to be the lounging area, like the fireplace is coming here. I've got a nice idea, beautiful idea for what I'm going to do here, but you just have to be patient. That's for the next video. And then I'm going to make a lounge, a couch for the year as well. And then in this corner here by this thing there is going to be the bar, and then here is going to be the barbecue braai area. And then there I'm going to still figure out how you go to the swimming pool, but that's also when I'm finished here, I will worry about that. There is, like, if you can see the lines in here, like squares, so there's squares here, so I'm going to try and put like use one square here like for the lounge, and the squares for the bar, and this one for the braai area, and obviously for the steps. I'm going to try and do that, keep it in that spaces, because I don't want this room to be as crowded as like the living room. I want open spaces here. So yeah, but that's all for today, and please like and subscribe for more videos. If you want to see more videos, press that notification bell, little clocky, please. And I hope you enjoy this video. So until next time, bye.